Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn 2 ways to stop who you may know on Instagram. First of all, open up your Instagram application, and after opening your Instagram application, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and then tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on settings and privacy. And after tapping on settings and privacy, scroll a bit down and you can find account privacy. Just tap on that, and after tapping on account privacy, and now you have to tap on private account. You just have to turn on this option. So mine is business account, so it will not turn on. So if yours is a casual account, you can easily turn on that option. After turning on this option, your account will be private, so your account will not be suggested to others. And the other way is just you have to go back and then open up a browser, any browser you like, and after opening a browser you have to log in your Instagram account on your browser. And after logging your account, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon which is besides your profile photo, just tap on edit profile, and after tapping on edit profile, scroll down and here you can find show account suggestion on profile. So you just have to turn off this option, and after turning off this option, your account can't be suggested to someone. And after turning off this option, just tap on submit and it has been saved. So these were the 2 ways to stop who you may know on Instagram. If you think this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.